Hey everyone, so in today's video tutorial we're going to go over how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now for the first example, let's say we have 1 and 1/5. How would we convert that to an improper fraction? Basically, the process is we have to multiply the whole number and the denominator and then add the numerator. So let me show you. This is really equal to 2 times 1 plus 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 over 2. The denominator always stays the same. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. This is equal to 3 over 2. Let's try another example. Let's do 3 and 2/5. Yeah, 3 and 2/5. Now feel free to pause the video and try this on your own, but 3 and 2/5 is really just 5 times 3 plus 2 over 5. The denominator always stays the same. So here we can see we multiplied the numerator and the whole or the denominator and the whole number and then added the numerator. And so this is equal to 17 over 5. Now I'm going to give you 3 examples. Pause the video and feel free to try it on your own. Let's go 4 and 3/4, 2 and 5/6, and then let's go 6 and 1/3. Now feel free to pause it and try it on your own, but when you come back you'll see, and I won't write these out the long form, I'll just solve them. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19 over 4. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5 is 17 over 6. And then 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19 over 3. Now let's do 3 more examples. Feel free to pause the video and try them on your own. But let's do 7 and 7/8. Let's do 9 and 2/9. And then let's do 12 and 5/10. Now pause the video and try them on your own, but when you come back, you will see that they are, as improper fractions, 7 times 8 is 56, plus 7 is 63 over 8. 9 times 9 is 81, plus 2 is 83 over 9. And then 10 times 12 is 120, plus 5 is 125 over 10. Now, I don't know if you caught it or not, but this can be simplified further. If we divide the numerator and the denominator by 5, we will get 25 over 2. So as you can see, anytime you have a mixed number, if you multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator, and then put it all over the denominator, you will convert it to an improper fraction. Thank you.